You look in your textbook or online for the Fourier series, but it seems like there are 10 different formulas out there for the same thing. Once you understand this one principle, none of those other formulas matter. Let me explain. This is the only formula you need. The only thing the Fourier series does is it breaks down any repeated signal into cosine waves and sine waves. For the A0 term, think of A0 as the baseline water level of a wave pool. Before you turn on the wave machine to create any ripples, how deep is that pool? That flat, completely still starting height? That's your A0, and it's the average value of the function across one period. It literally sums up every value of the function within one period and divides by the length of that period. Now A sub n and B sub n are where things get interesting, because if you were like me when I was just starting out, A sub n and B sub n have their own dedicated formulas for them. So Fourier series literally contains formulas within formulas. Before we break down what each formula means, it would be accurate to assume A sub n and B sub n are just scalar constants at each frequency. They help decide which frequencies are strongly present, all the way to which have zero contribution to the original function. In mathematics, we know that the integral of the product of any two sinusoids over a complete period is 0, except when the product is itself. In that case, it becomes half the period. And so multiplying by 2 over t in A sub n and B sub n normalizes the value of our sine and cosine coefficients to leave just the actual scalar constant responsible hidden in the original function. And of course, this could be sine and still hold true. If this was sine and cosine, however, then it would always be 0. Sinusoids repeat every 2 pi radians. However, in real life, our function repeats every t. Therefore, we divide by t to enlarge our sinusoid in time so that one period t also covers 2 pi radians. While n here decides the specific frequency we choose to detect. It spans from 1 to infinity because negative frequencies are just redundant in real life. And n equals 0 is just A sub 0, the DC constant.